Hoy vamos a probar los churros en la air fryer. Ponemos en la cestilla.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I could be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea.
Y con 15 minutos los tenemos listos.